As human beings, we have wants and we have needs. One such need is the need to ensure fluidity. This need is one that has been in demand for the past 4 decades. It is one that is demanded by an entire nation. This is the need for development and lubrication. Lub-rref Bangladesh Limited is an ISO 9001-2008 Quality Management Systems certified company, which always maintains high ethical and international quality standards. A company that set up the first private lube blending plant, LOBP, in the history of the country and obtained international certifications and credentials such as ISO 14001-2015 Environmental Management Systems and OSAS Occupational Health and Safety Assessment Series 18001-2007. Today, the demand for lubricants is growing rapidly. Thanks to an increasing number of motor vehicles in Bangladesh, while the automobile industry itself consumes nearly 77% and the manufacturing sector consumes the rest.
Assalamu alaikum and good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's a great honor and proud privilege for me for hosting the first IPO of Lub-rref Bangladesh Limited. With 4 decades sound knowledge and expertise in the field of lubricants and greases, Lub-rref Bangladesh is now reaching for greater achievements to add to its already remarkable success story. Our vision is to become a pioneer in creating a greener alternative in the lubricants industry. We have adopted modern green technologies for growth and sustainability.
Being a national company, we invested our equity as well as bank finance to run the project, which made us the only national company with a view to making Bangladesh self-sufficient in the lube sector.
Lub-rref Bangladesh Limited experienced a tremendous growth since I joined the company. During this time, the company acquired some strategic assets across the river Karnakpuli in the Chittagong port area, which reflects the imaginative and foreseen capacity of the top management. Opportunity has opened up to convert those strategic assets into some realistic project implementation aligned to the growth aspiration of the company, like 100,000 metric ton capacity oil tank terminal, 50,000 metric ton per annum base oil refinery, 150 megawatt power plant, a specialized bitumen plant, etc., along with a berth operating duty. All this creates great opportunity for foreign and local implementation to the tune of BDT 1.5 billion and substantial employment. The company needs to mobilize equity investment to the tune of 1,500 million through initial public offering besides the sponsor equity.
With total dedication and experience of 4 decades, combined with sound knowledge and expertise in the field of lubricants and greases, we have established one of the largest lubricating oil blending plant in Bangladesh. Today, Lub-rref markets its product under BNO brands. However, our success wasn't just limited to the Bangladeshi market. Within a very short period, BNO products started being exported to Nepal, while our dedicated team works round the clock to export BNO products to other regional markets as well.
As a close acquaintance and a neighbor in business for several decades, I have seen Professor Yusuf innovate and transform what happens to be the first in Bangladesh, the recycling of spent lube oils into commercial grade grease. Professor Yusuf continued to stride forward with bigger visions of fueling and developing energy resource for our beloved nation. Professor Yusuf is an inspiration to those who know him, not only in the industry circle, but also in the social domain, where he has established his worth as a visionary in agro, fishery, education, and social well-being sectors. I wish him success and Godspeed.
However, none of this would have been possible without the guidance and support of our Honorable Managing Director, Mr. Mohammad Yusuf, the man behind the industry, who established Grease House Limited in 1976, making it the first Bangladeshi organization to produce and export lubricating grease, the first to produce lithium-based grease, the first to set up a lube recycling plant with financial assistance from Bangladesh Shilpa Bank. Our managing director also launched a joint venture project, Fuchs Petro Lube AG Germany, while setting up the first private sector lube blending plant, LOBP, which was later renamed to Lub-rref Bangladesh Limited. In addition, our managing director also co-founded the National Association of Small and Cottage Industries and founded the Companyganj Agro Industries Limited, Noakhali. It was his vision of making Lub-rref a forerunner in creating a Bangladesh-based international standard green organization. Our mission led us to adopt technology to achieve a greener world and develop high-performing leaders at all levels to save natural resources and maximize profits. In addition, Lub-rref Bangladesh Limited, as a lubricating blending plant, gives the highest priority to environment protection and has established an environment management system across the organization. The company has been continuously implementing various green and sustainable initiatives and is focused on energy management and promotion of renewable energy. Over the years, we have been recognized as a reputed company for unmatched technical support and customer service, ensuring right lubricant selection, stabilized lubricant health, contamination control, along with an adequate and sustained lubricant supply. BNO imports wide range of base oil and additive packages from very selective sources, particularly world-renowned multinational companies which enjoy original equipment manufacturers OEM's approval. BNO also uses its own dedicated tank lorry to prevent cross-contamination of its base oil. Our blending plant is fully automated and operated by a state-of-the-art distribution and control system. We are also capable of customizing product blending to meet various specifications of our valued customers. To prevent cross-contamination, we use separate blending cattle, which shows our commitment in ensuring unsurpassed quality. We know Bangladesh, along with the rest of the world, demand the best, which is something we always deliver. In our filling section, we have the capacity to fill different packages. We have capacity to autofill small cans, pails and drums. In our NAS filtration system, we are capable of filtering up to 2 micron foreign particles for micro-clean finished oil, which is recommended for all sophisticated equipment. Furthermore, Lub-rref Bangladesh Limited has also taken various initiatives to minimize the pollution load of its operations. The power and fuel consumption at each of its processing plants is monitored, and the quantity of usage per unit of output is continuously reduced. The company also maintains its own dedicated gas-based generator for uninterrupted production. Our effluent treatment plant, ETP, operates at full capacity and efficiency to stay true to the company's policy of making it a zero effluent discharge plant. In addition, the company's emphasis on water harvesting takes care of groundwater through harvesting a large volume of rainwater and using it instead of using supplied water from government authorities. We believe the future does not belong to us, but actually to our children. With this in mind, we provide waste oil disposal services to save the environment from pollution, to ensure a greener world for future generations. BNO has dedicated and highly qualified technical experts and engineers for ensuring unmatched after-sales service, because we don't just believe in selling products, but rather in providing solutions to the industry. A very satisfactory market share has been secured to ensure product availability to the end user. Lub-rref has enriched a nationwide distribution network. To create brand awareness among the end user, BNO always participates at different exhibitions, trade fairs and motor races.
BNO has given priority to product quality and services from the beginning of his journey. To fulfill their objective, we have obtained Quality Management System Certification, Environmental Management System Certification, Occupational Health and Safety Assessment Series, Laboratory Management System Certification, which gives us a global acceptance. In our company, we are not only selling product, but also providing solution to customer.
BNO has some of the nation's most professional and skilled members in their marketing team who understand the needs, wants and demands of its valued customers. This rewarded team is led by certified lubricant technicians and analysts who are duly certified by the International Council for Machinery Lubrication, ICML, USA.
Lub-rref established a laboratory of world class. Their facilities for all kind of latest test methods are available. That gives a lot of confidence to the customers about the quality of his product. This laboratory is of such high standard that he has opened it for outsiders who want to get their products tested here, and that is being done now.
Lub-rref Bangladesh Limited have launched a world-class accredited laboratory for testing fuel and petroleum products duly accredited by the Bangladesh Accreditation Board as per ISO IEC 17025-2005 under the Ministry of Industry. This accreditation helps ensure test reports delivered from the laboratory as accepted globally. The state-of-the-art laboratory has been further enriched with the addition of ICP, robotic FTIR, TOGA, 10 Delta and NOAC volatility tester and others, which are procured mostly from American, European sources. The laboratory is run by a team of professionals who maintain high moral standards, absolute confidentiality to safeguard customer interests. The laboratory is capable of performing a wide range of testing through its facilities, such as fresh, in-service and used lube oil, furnace oil, transformer oil, hydraulic oil, grease, etc. These tests proudly serve the government utility sector, power generation companies, marine sector, and large-scale fluid users in Bangladesh. For R&D and future references, batch sample are preserved regularly. By introducing the testing facility, Lub-rref has helped the country save high amounts of foreign currency, as previous oil analysis used to be carried out abroad.
Lubricants change its characteristics with every turn of gear, with every turn of a wheel, with every day of use. To keep a track of high performance and retain durability with the transformation of lubricants, manufacturers are bound to have profound competency to accept and modify with these updates of academic and field research and newer technologies. Engineers, technologies and scientific personnel can play as frontline by updating themselves to this ever-restoring and cutting-edge technologies to enhance lubricants.
The on-site transformer oil vacuum heat treatment is a state-of-the-art system introduced by Lub-rref Bangladesh Limited for the power sector. The system improves quality of used transformer oils and extends its lifetime. This helps end users save considerable amounts of money from purchasing new transformer oils, which cost 10 to 15 times higher than the total filtration cost. The technology of centrifuging of in-service transformer oil has reached new heights thanks to the utilization of multi-stage degassing chambers, ionic reaction columns, 50-micron cartridges and press filters instead of conventional centrifuging technology. The company is also capable of rendering online turbine oil filtration at customer sites, which is a unique service in Bangladesh.
Power Grid Company of Bangladesh Limited (PGCB) is responsible for reliable and efficient transmission of electricity all over the country. To fulfill that objective, we have to maintain our equipment regularly to minimize the breakdown and outages. Among various equipment, power transformer is vital one. To keep the transformer healthy, we have to test the transformer regularly, and for that support, we have engaged Lub-rref Bangladesh Limited, which is an accredited laboratory by Bangladesh Accreditation Board as per ISO ISC 17025 2005 version that gives global acceptance to the laboratory. I have recently visited their laboratory at Chittagong and satisfied with their modern test facilities and equipment. Now we are enjoying from transformer oil analysis service within the country. Thank you Lub-rref Bangladesh Limited for the services we desire.
We maintain warehouses at several different strategic locations with ready stock to meet instant product requirements for our valued customers right at their doorstep in record time. To reduce the hazards of fire, world-class fire safety policies and equipment are installed at the plant and office premises. In addition, we conduct regular fire drills to create awareness and educate our employees. The company is always committed on the health and safety issues for its employees. As part of this commitment, Lub-rref provides a full-time in-house doctor. Lub-rref has also successfully signed various number of MOUs and contracts with their associates to ensure business cooperation nationally and internationally. Through these understandings, it has become a place where different technological and business ideas are coming together to build an optimum environment.
Lub-rref Bangladesh Limited BNO নামে প্রোডাক্ট বাজারজাত করছেন এবং তারা আন্তর্জাতিক মানকে সমুন্নত রেখে লুব্রিকেন্ট সাপ্লাই করবেন এবং তাদের রিফাইনারি থেকে আন্তর্জাতিক মানের প্রোডাক্ট তৈরি হবে। আমরা as an BCCI তাদের শুভকামনা করি এবং আমরা তাদের সাফল্য কামনা করি, তারা যাতে ভালো করেন।
However, we know we cannot stay in one place. We know we need to grow, which is why we take immense pride in announcing our very own berth operating jetty, state-of-the-art base oil refinery, tank terminal, bitumen plus plant, power plant, hydrogen plant, and our much anticipated agro project. So make your choice today and make not only Bangladesh but the world a better place to live in.